The Green Corridor. The lush green northern plains. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. Plains are formed by the deposition of sand, soil and rock particles carried by rivers that flow from glaciers in the mountains. The deposition by the rivers, also called silt, is rich in nutrients and hence is highly fertile and known as alluvium. The alluvial soil is most suitable for agriculture. The northern plains stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The extent is about 2,400 kilometers from west to east and it varies in width from about 150 to 300 kilometers. The plains cover the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and some parts of Assam and Tripura. Rivers Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra have played a major role in shaping the character of the northern plains. These rivers and their tributaries form a river basin. A great variety of food crops are grown in the highly fertile soil of the three river basins. Hence, we call these plains the food ball of India. A large number of towns and cities exist on these plains, along the banks of the rivers. The northern plains, thus, are the most thickly populated plains in the world. Let us learn more about the three river basins and the plains they drain. The Satluj Basin. The river Satluj originates in Tibet near Kailash Mansarovar Lake and flows through Himachal Pradesh before it enters Punjab. River Beas is the main tributary of the Satluj. Both the rivers join River Indus in Pakistan which flows into the Arabian Sea. The states that benefit from these two river systems are Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. The Bhakranangal Dam built on the Satluj in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh, provides water and electricity to the nearby areas. Some water from the Bhakranangal Dam is diverted into the Indira Gandhi Canal, which provides water to Rajasthan. Wheat, rice, maize, cotton and gram are the main crops grown in the Satluj Basin. The important towns that lie in this basin are Jalandhar, Patiala, Ludhiana, Chandigarh, Amritsar and Ambala. The Ganga Basin, Gangetic Plains. The river Ganga originates from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. River Ganga and its tributaries like Yamuna, Ghaghra, Gomti, Kosi, Chambal, Ghandak, Son and others flow through the largest of the fertile northern plains. Swiftly flowing down the mountains, River Ganga enters the plains at Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Thereafter, it flows through Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. At Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, River Yamuna meets Ganga at a place called Sangam. After flowing through Bihar, the river reaches West Bengal where it branches into two streams, thus forming the Hooghly and Padma. River Hooghly flows through Kolkata to meet the Bay of Bengal while Padma joins the Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. The Ganga Basin covers the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. River Ganga and her tributaries carry a huge amount of silt and deposit the silt along the river banks. Thus, the Ganga Basin is extremely fertile. The river basin is also hot and humid as it gets plenty of rainfall during the monsoons. Farmers grow wheat, sugarcane, jowar, bajra, rice and jute. Many industries have been set up in these plains. A few important cities like Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Mathura, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and Kolkata are situated along this basin. The Brahmaputra Basin. The river Brahmaputra also originates in the Mansarovar Lake in Tibet, where it is called the Tsangpo River. It flows into India through Arunachal Pradesh, then flows through Assam and enters Bangladesh. This river basin receives heavy rainfall during monsoons, often leading to floods and the destruction of crops like rice and jute that are cultivated in these plains. Tea is grown on the hill slopes of Assam. The narrow valley is surrounded by hills and mountains like the Khasi, Garo, Jantia and Naga hills. The climate is hot and humid in summer. Guwahati, Dibrugarh and Digboi are important towns of this basin. After entering Bangladesh, the river Brahmaputra joins river Padma and then breaks into small branches. Together, the branches form a triangular swampy area called the Sundarban Delta, one of the largest river deltas in the world. Eventually it merges into the Bay of Bengal. Importance of the northern plains. A variety of crops grown in the fertile plains not only provide food to the people, but also provide raw materials to many industries. A majority of the people of India are dependent on the northern plains for their livelihood. The soft, level land allows for easier irrigation and convenient farming opportunities. The perennial rivers and the heavy monsoon rains make the climate and vegetation suitable for crops and human settlement. The even land allows for better road and rail transport as well as communication and setting up of industries. Iron, steel, jute, cement, sugar and textile. Industries are spread evenly over the whole region. Life in the plains, a tour of the states. Punjab, the land of 5 rivers and the wheat bowl of India, is a state of farmers who have employed modern machines to cultivate their lands. The fertile lands drained by rivers Satluj, Beas and Ravi are suitable for growing wheat, rice, sugarcane, millet and oilseeds. The state experiences hot summers and cold winters. It shares its capital Chandigarh with Haryana. Other important cities are Amritsar, where the famous Golden Temple is situated, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, famous for its woolen garments, and Patiala. The people wear salwar, kurta and pagdi or turban, and most of them enjoy makke ki roti, sarson ka saag and raita. Punjabi is the language of this state. People are hard-working, cheerful and fun-loving. The harvest festival known as Baisakhi is celebrated here with great enthusiasm and people dance to the beats of Bhangra and Gidda during this time. Haryana, this landlocked state to the south of Punjab, has rivers Yamuna, Satluj, and Ghaggar flowing through it. The Shivalik ranges are in the northern part of the state and Aravalli Hills are in the southern part. Farming, cattle rearing and dairy farming are the main occupations. Like Punjab, people grow wheat, rice and sugarcane here. The summers are hot while the winters are cold. People speak Haryanvi and Hindi, wear ghagra choli or dhoti and shirt with pagdi and relish kadhi pakoda and bajre ki roti. Gurgaon, Faridabad, Ambala, and Rohtak are the rich industrial towns of Haryana. The epic battle of Mahabharat or Kurukshetra and 3 battles of Panipat were fought here. New Delhi, our capital, is also a part of the northern plains. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a large and populous state that lies in the Ganga basin along with Bihar and West Bengal. A variety of trees, medicinal plants and wildlife exist here. The capital city is Lucknow and other important cities are Meerut, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Gorakhpur, and the holy city of Varanasi. The summers are hot, winters are cold, and there is moderate to heavy rainfall. The farmers grow sugarcane, wheat, rice, pulses, and all seeds. Uttar Pradesh produces the largest amount of sugarcane and a large number of sugar mills are located here. The weavers of this state weave the world-famous Banarsi saris. Chiknakri of Lucknow is another famous craft. People speak Hindi or Urdu in this region. Bihar. Bihar is the land of two great religious teachers, Buddha and Mahavir. It is also known for its Chhat and Teej festivals. The capital is Patna, while other important towns are Gaya, Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga, Madhubani, which is known for its beautiful Madhubani art, and Bhagalpur, the silk city of India. The river Ganga and its tributaries Son and Ghandak divide the state into two parts. With a climate similar to Uttar Pradesh, the people grow rice and other plants such as wheat, sugarcane, and jute. People commonly speak Hindi, Urdu, Bhojpuri and Maithili. West Bengal. This state is the largest producer of jute and jute products. It has a warm and humid weather with heavy rainfall in monsoons. People are fond of eating rice and fish curry. Different types of sweets such as rasgulla, malai cham-cham, and mohan bhog are also famous. People speak Bangla and are fond of art, music, dance, and literature. Belur Math Temple, founded by Swami Vivekanand, is a temple where Hindu, Christian, and Islamic symbols of unity for all religions exist. It serves as a symbol of unity for all religions. The people of all the three states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal wear dhoti kurta or sari. Durga Puja is the most important festival. Assam, the tea garden of India. Assam along with its neighbor Tripura are situated in the Brahmaputra basin. The capital city is Dispur while Guwahati is the largest city. People grow rice, jute, and tea. Petroleum refinery is another important industry. Assam is also famous for Kaziranga and Manas National Park with many one-horned rhinoceros and elephants. Other special features of the state are the harvest festival of Bihu, cane, and bamboo furniture, and the holy Kamakhya temple. Rearing silkworms for the famous Muga silk is an important occupation. Women wear mekhla chadar while men wear dhoti kurta and gamcha. Assam is known for the largest population of wild buffaloes and also the largest river island called Majuli. This state is affected by heavy rainfall and frequent floods every year.